How does an ultrasound camera work? A leak of pressurized gas generates broadband ultrasound that can be reliably detected even in noisy environments. From the focal length and the opening angles, horizontal/vertical, the 3D distance between each microphone and each pixel is calculated. For each pixel, the signals from all microphones are delayed by the respective propagation time from the pixel to the microphone and then summed up. After calculating the ultrasound map, the intensities are color-coded using a color scale and superimposed on the camera image.